Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you struggling to connect your smart devices to Cox Wi-Fi? Many smart home devices require a 2.4 GHz network, but Cox routers often use both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz band. In this video, I will show you how to adjust your Wi-Fi settings to ensure your devices connect to the 2.4 GHz band. So first of all, you have to open a web browser on your smartphone or your computer. In the address bar, type 192.168.0.1 and then tap enter. This will take you to the Cox router login page. Now you have to log into your router, enter your Cox router username and then log in and enter your password. So you can also find the default login details on a sticker on your router or phone. Check login to access your router settings. Adjust Wi-Fi settings on your Cox router. If both networks are combined under the same SSID Wi-Fi name, you need to separate them to force devices to connect to 2.4 GHz. You have to separate the networks. There are two ways to do it. Rename the 5 GHz network by adding 5G at the end of its name. If you rename it, your device will automatically connect to the 2.4 GHz when needed. Now you have to scroll down and click apply or save to confirm the settings. At the end, at the right corner, you will see the option. Now you go to your devices, Wi-Fi settings and connect to the 2.4 GHz network. If you previously had trouble connecting smart devices, try setting them up again using the new network setting, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Cox Wi-Fi settings to prioritize the 2.4 GHz network. If this video is helpful, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more tech tips.